Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to create skew numbers for Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to admin it. So first of all, go to apps and from here open App Store and search here skew and open this app. Add app, install app, so here you can see the app has been successfully installed. Scroll down and here you will find your product skew review. So here you can see skew number has been successfully added here, and you can change the prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix mean, here you can see the first letter and the last letter. First letter is prefix and last letter is suffix, so you can change the letter from here. And auto number start from, you can change this letter from here. Also you can edit product options, first characters, code to, here you can see. So this is how we can create skew numbers for Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to admin it. Thank you for watching.